playing some Bed Wars on life. I don't think we've done a lifeboat like PvP thing on this channel. So yeah. And Tyrese, say hi. We do have another guest joining us today. His name is... Yep, thanks Tyrese. If this video does hit 2 likes, which is very high, I will make this guy take over my YouTube channel. So if you want that, reach 2 likes and yeah, this guy will take over my YouTube channel. Guys, the Gaming Owl does want to say something. What do you want to say, Owl?
If I can reach 20 views in my next video, I will do a very gnarly challenge out of someone I know's choice.
Okay. Gaming Owl has an announcement to say.
If we can reach 20 views on my next video, I will do a challenge that might be Benson can choose, I don't know, my brothers, my parents, his siblings, could be anyone, it could even be you guys, so let's do this.
Yep. Let's do this. All that said, actually, you know what? I'm gonna let Mr. Dope say it for himself. What's going on, guys? We are in Bed Wars and we will be playing with the Royal Owl. So yeah, with all that. The Gaming Owl, yeah. And with all that said, let's get into Bed Wars. We are now in, and this is actually my favorite map. I'm not gonna lie.
So much.
I love this map so much. Ciale said that he got the... Well, if you don't know Ciale, he's the, Silks the Sheep. But guys, unfortunately, he did get banned. I don't know how. It's just stupid. Guys, someone is rushing. No. No! My bed's been destroyed. Help me, help me.
Got him.
Nice.
Are you recording?
Yeah, obviously.
No, you're not. No, I said you were.
Come on, I'll help you.
I
Oh.
died.
Oh, this kid's gonna get me now. No! Okay, so guys, Tyrese is the only one left. Well, there's heaps of other people left, but if he wins this, man, it's an intense match.
I died.
Oh, wait, is your bed still alive? Okay.
I'm not afraid of you.
Wait, your stuff drops now? Or was that always a thing? I forgot.
That was always a thing.
Oh, I didn't know. I forgot. Maybe you should rush the blue guy. Again? No.
I just went into my fist. I didn't even try.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
Chainman Llama. I'm gonna try and get an iron sword this time.
Alright, looks like... Okay. Pink is rushing green. Green's gone. Out of the game.
Out of the game? Guess
Yeah.
what?
I think blue's our threat.
Oh, come on. One more iron ingot. What's wrong with this game?
Okay. Yeah, I think blue's... Yeah, blue's our threat. Playing chaos mode this time. 30.
Last game, we had rushes, and those rushes weren't too hygienic.
Yeah. Alright, we're in case mode. And wait, hold on. I swear this is a whole different map.
Everything's different, literally.
I know.
Wait,
Okay.
what? I mean, you don't even have to get blocks.
Wait, what?
You don't even have to get blocks, like million blocks.
Oh. That's good.
Got out of your base.
Hold on, where are you? Where are you? Orange team?
No, I'm pink.
Oh, guys, this is going to be a hot match.
Too bad I'm hotter than it.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, guys. Also, I used to play this a lot. And I used to crush Silks the Sheep and the Gaming Owl.
Nah, you
No, you can't lie. You can't lie. I did.
Alright, you were good, but you didn't crush.
Well, yeah.
You did have a crush, but...
Shut up, man. Shut up. Shut up, guys. Alright, okay, guys.
What, you just told your people to shut up?
No,
Wow.
no, I didn't. Okay, I didn't. Oh, guys. Tyrese killed me. Have I gotten worse? I think I've gotten worse.
It's okay.
Shut up. Dora, I have loads of bricks. But you wanna know what I'm... No, do you wanna know what I'm gonna do, Tyrese?
Get backers.
No.
Too bad, pretty bad.
No, okay, listen, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna quickly go kill your guy, hold on. Just need to defend my base because, yeah. That's the aim of this game.
That's my diamond sword.
You have a diamond sword.
No, I'm about to get one.
Damn it. So, I think Lifeboat has gotten better internet because, you know, we don't lag around that much. Yeah.
Should I get mine?
Because guys, if you used to watch my Lifeboat videos, you guys would know that it was very laggy back in the day. Like, seriously. Oh, someone just destroyed a bed.
Wait. No, someone destroyed our bed.
I know.
That's you.
Yep, that's me. And I may kill you, I'm not sure. But you have a...
Oh, I killed you.
No!
Let's go! I now get iron armor.
No! Oh, guys, this is looking like a bad game, but I did get their bed, though. I got one of them. Wait, hold on. I think I might know their locations of the beds. Okay, that's good.
Oh, dang it. Why does it take so long to regain your health?
Because, guys, if you know me, and if you used to watch my Bed Wars Lifeboat videos, you know that I would rush a lot. Like, a lot.
Didn't know. I killed him.
Yes, we know that, Tyrese. But don't worry.
But the kid tried to act cool when he lied his ass steak.
Guys, Tyrese is right now chasing me, which is very bad.
Benson,
Okay.
I have a question for you. Why don't you record the whole time out?
Oh my god! No way! Oh my god! No way, wait. No, there's no way! Let's go!
Little fat goose.
Let's go! Oh, Jimmy.
Chubby fat goose. No one likes these days.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy.
Bro, it's lagging so bad. What do you mean?
Yo, Tyrese, you want to say something? You want to say something?
What?
You watch. Wait, why did I get... Ah! Oh, Jimmy! Oh, come here! Oh, you only have a fist! Oh, it's okay, Tyrese. It's okay. It's okay, Tyrese. Oh, it's okay. I shouldn't... No, how many people are left?
One.
One. So where's this last kid then?
I can go check him out.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, and
I
I...
don't know how big the map is, but I don't like the colors. Like, they could have some real nice colors, but they didn't choose to.
A really nice what?
Like, you know the floor colors? Like, they're not, like, really that cool of colors. Like, I feel like they should have had some nicer colors.
Yeah.
Right.
Right, guys, that was game 1 of Chaos Mode. That was an easy dub. Let's go into the next one, guys. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tyrese, are we in the same?
I'm on blue
I'm on red team.
Are you kidding? At least I like this map.
Yeah. I like the last one better.
How about we don't kill each other? So, you know what's funny? You know how the numbers, they change?
What?
You know how they kind of change the numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some leather armor, wooden sword, and glass, cause glass is good for your health. Right, children? Right, Tyrese? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, anyways, guys, let's build to middle. Oh wait, no, red's. Oh no, he's already building. And I made the jump. Let's go.
Or did you?
I did. Bim boom bum boom. Bim. I'm gonna get some gold quickly. Head back to base and get myself a diamond sword, cause I can. Isn't that right, Tyrese?
I got a kid.
You got a kid? That's very bad for me because
Now I have 2 golden ingots.
2 golden ingots. Jeez, you must be insane, bro.
I'm gonna get a knockback stick and then I'm gonna come back and rush.
Okay. Bro, this map looks so cool. Dinosaurs. Also, guys, if you want to see my island series on Ark Survival Evolved, you can go check that out. No, because I will be posting soon on with the island.
Are you gonna do the island map?
Yeah. Okay, so I got 1 bed. Now I've got the 2nd bed. And I'm gonna quickly just get out of here. Because, you know, I just destroyed all the beds. And, yeah, everyone's after me now. I'm right now on 2 hearts. So I'm gonna quickly just get out of here. Look behind me. And I think, yeah, Tyrese is behind me. Oh, no. No! No! No. No. Okay, now I need to guard the base. Because I'm expecting people to rush.
You are correct.
Look there, over there. Guys, over there. Can you guys see?
Too bad they didn't got eyes.
I know, my team doesn't have eyes.
Alright, I'm gonna get dinosaur and iron armor.
What? Okay.
Hey, it's payback.
No, you will not get payback.
First I get iron armor, back, and my sword.
Don't worry, we do got a few people with iron armor. Well, at least we do. Quickly do this. There we go, that bed protected. That one's covered in concrete. That one's covered in concrete. Don't tell Tyrese.
I can hear you, you know, I've got ears.
Never mind what I said. I'm gonna rush middle now. Oh, Jimmy's. Oh, there's a Jimmy. I got 1 Jimmy. Now there's another Jimmy after me. But I'm gonna quickly go back to base. Oh my god, this kid had so much good stuff. Like clay. Is this clay? No, terracotta. Oh my. Alright, so guys, if you're wondering what the island map is, did I just really die? Like, you're kidding. Oh my god. Who was behind me? Oh, that kid. Yeah. Probably the kid that sits on his PlayStation all day and just plays it. Anyways.
I can't tell the difference.
Shut up. Can I get a stone sword?
Everyone.
Oh, finally. Stone sword.
I'm going to go against an enchantment table.
Or... I'm surprised my team hasn't got anything. No, just joking. We
You're
have a lot of stuff.
surprised?
Yeah. And there's this kid trying to rush us. Are you? Now we quickly kill him. There we go. Get all this stuff. Quickly sort it out and go.
I lost my dinosaur.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, wait, here's a diamond sword. Oh, crap. Alright. This kid's annoying. And there's only 2 more people left on their team.
That's me.
This kid's annoying. Oh, I think I might have him. Yes! Let's go! He had so much stuff. You know, I'm going to go back to base and deposit this all. Okay, I got a diamond sword and 5 gold ingots. Oh, Tyrese, you're the last one. Oh, Tyrese. All your beds are gone. Our beds are still here. And it's only you. Oh, Jimmy. I think Jimmy might be dead. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put some stuff in the chest, because I can. That's so much good stuff. I'm gonna quickly get myself some iron armor. And I'm gonna quickly get myself double chest. And now put all this stuff that I don't need in there. And and also, I have a lot of leather armor in there. Iron armor, you know, chainmail, blocks, all that good stuff. So now, yeah, okay. I think it's time that we get this over and done with. Oh my god.
Sorry guys about that, that's just fun.
Where are you? Oh, you're over there. What are you doing over there? Don't be like the girl on my... Hold on. No. Hold on, I got an idea. Wait! Best idea that I have right now. Okay. This guy's a full set of iron armor. That guy's a full set of iron armor. I have a lot of stuff.
Okay, calm down.
Who's a strength effect? Oh, look what I have! Let's go! Oh, you didn't think that through, didn't you? Let's go, guys. That's game 2. Victory. Chaos mode. We are in game... What, 3 now?
Yeah, I think it's 3.
Yeah. Hopefully I do win. Probably not in this game. And guys, I'm sorry if you can hear barking in the background. Don't worry.
That's
Don't
the
worry.
adults.
Yeah. Alright guys, let's get this started.
Oh, color looks nice.
And also guys, we are not on the same team. For the 3rd time. I know, throughout this whole recording, we still haven't been on a team. It's just annoying.
It just stinks.
I know. So you must be blue team, right?
No, it's purple.
Oh, purple. And I am orange team.
I know.
Oh, okay. Who's hitting me?
No!
You sucked in.
Oh, yes, I didn't die.
That's one guy gone. That's one bed gone. Guys, I'm just speedrunning this. That's another bed down, guys. I can't believe I'm literally speedrunning this. And that's the last one down. Yeah. And let's get this guy as well. Tyrese, I feel bad for you. You're just getting wrecked so bad. Well, if we were on a team, we'll be like the dynamic duo. I'm not gonna lie.
No one could kill us, like literally, no one.
Who's that? I think that's you. Oh,
That's
hello.
me.
Oh,
Why?
hello. Oh, hello. Oh, bye-bye. I feel so bad for you. I feel bad for you. But at the same time, my soldier... Oh, wait, there's two of these guys. Oh, and I died.
Yes!
No.
No!
Do you know what I do, right? I immediately get leather armor, a sword, blocks, and I just rush you.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Oh, you do? Oh, so you're on your way to my base?
Yes!
Oh!
When you started building to the middle, I was there. And then when I seen you, I started chasing you.
Oh, okay. Okay, right now, our beds are good. Well, not for long.
I'm
'Cause-
dead and I respawn.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. So every single game, it's just a race to the middle. Oh, and there's a guy with full set of iron armor. How's this gonna end? Oh, it's gonna end bad.
These two kids are just fucking you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys actually got one. Oh, and he got you, and then you got him. And maybe, yep. It's over, isn't it?
Oh. Oh my god. Okay, guys.
I was watching the whole time, like.
Guys, that's it for today. So yeah, yeah, I crushed Tyrese in three games. Yeah, I know. You might at the end of this video, you might be feeling bad for him. So please go over to his channel and yeah, like all his videos. Yeah, and for all that said, I'll see you all in the next video. Yeah. Bye.